Hello class 3rd students, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. I am your science teacher Silla and today we will start your 8th chapter which is safety and first aid. So let's get started. Learning objectives. After completing this chapter, you should be able to know about the reasons why accidents take place. Some rules which help us to prevent accidents in our daily routine. The first help given to people who are injured. अब आपको यहाँ दिया है एक introductory question. Which sign help us to recognize a first aid box? ये चीज बहुत ही इजी है, आपको पता ही होगा, तो इसे आप अपने आप आंसर करेंगे. There are many things which are useful in life, but you also have to be careful while using them. Otherwise, you hurt yourself. Accidents happen all of a sudden. There are some places where you spend most of your time. You should be careful in such places and try to keep yourself safe. Circle the things that we could keep in a first aid box. आपको उन चीजों को सर्कल करना है जो आप फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स में रख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज सेफ्टी रूल्स टू बी फॉलोड एट होम. घर पे हमें क्या क्या सेफ्टी रूल्स फॉलो करने हैं उसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सबसे पहले है शार्प इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. इट इज इजी टू गेट इंजर्ड when you are using sharp instruments and tools. Be careful and work under the care of elders. Always pay full attention to the work you are doing and do not talk to others or watch TV while working. Fire. Never play near the gas stove, especially when the flame is on. Do not play with the knobs of the gas stove as the gas may leak and cause a fire. Never wear nylon clothes when you are near a flame as they catch fire very easily. Electricity. It is very dangerous. If we do not use electricity carefully, it may cause serious injury. As soon as you notice a spark or get a shock, turn off the main switch. Never use any broken plugs or switches as you may get an electric shock because the current may leak from the bare wires and injure you seriously. Medicine and other products. Take medicines only when your elders give them to you. There are many colorful liquids kept around the house which are used for cleaning purposes. These are dangerous and should not be touched or consumed. Next topic is safety rules on the road. रोड पर हमें क्या सेफ्टी रूल्स फॉलो करना है उसके बारे में हम यहाँ पढ़ेंगे. Some of the rules which could be followed while walking on the road are: always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Cross the road only when the light for pedestrians is green. Before crossing the road, first look at your right, then left, and right again. Cross only when the road is clear. Do not run on the road. Always walk on the footpath. Walk on the right side of the road so that you can see the traffic coming. Never get in or get off from a moving bus. Never lean out of the window of a moving vehicle as you may hurt yourself. Next topic is safety rules at school. स्कूल में भी आपको कुछ सेफ्टी रूल्स फॉलो करने हैं. क्या है वो, आइए डिस्कस करते हैं. You spend a lot of time at school. It is your second home. It is very important to follow a few simple safety rules at school. Do not carry blades to sharpen your pencils. You may accidentally cut your fingers. Always walk in a queue and do not push each other. Someone might fall down and get hurt. Do not throw objects at anyone as you might hurt oneself. Never jump on the table or desk and chairs as you may hurt yourself. Do not let your bag and water bottle lie about on the floor as you may trip and fall. तो ये सभी चीजें आपको स्कूल में फॉलो करनी है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज सेफ्टी रूल्स टू बी फॉलोड ऑन द प्लेग्राउंड. प्लेग्राउंड में भी जब आप खेलते हैं वहां पर भी कुछ सेफ्टी रूल्स आपको फॉलो करने हैं. क्या है वो, आइए डिस्कस करते हैं. फॉलोइंग सेफ्टी रूल्स ऑन द प्लेग्राउंड विल हेल्प यू हैव फन एंड एंजॉय विदाउट गेटिंग हर्ट और अपसेट. Never push others while playing on the swing, merry-go-rounds and slides. Always wait for your turn. Always follow the rules of the game and do not fight while playing. Never fly kites on the terrace or on the road. You may fall off or get hit by vehicles passing by. Never touch or try to pet strange animals as they may bite or scratch you. It may be very dangerous if elders are not informed and proper medicine is not taken for it. Always play with toys that are meant for your age. Do not aim shooting dots or toy pistols at your friends. Never go alone for a swim. Take care to swim at the shallow end. Follow instructions and signs that are put up for us at different places such as construction site. Do not neglect them as they can save you from accidents. Next topic is first aid. अब आपको यहाँ पर एक कन्वर्सेशन दिखाई गई है एक टीचर और एक स्टूडेंट की. मैम, what should we do if someone gets hurt or sick? इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब हम अभी पढ़ेंगे आगे. Sometimes accident do take place even if we have been careful. कभी कभी एक्सीडेंट तब भी हो जाता है अगर हम केयरफुल हो तो भी. तो ये सभी चीजें हम यहाँ पर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं इस टॉपिक में. If you know how to react in times of emergency, you can avoid further damages and pain. The sooner you get help, the better it is. First aid is the help given to an injured person before the arrival of an adult or a doctor. If the person is not hurt badly, simply first aid helps. फर्स्ट एड का क्या मतलब है कि जब किसी को चोट लग जाए तो डॉक्टर या किसी बड़े के आने से पहले हम फर्स्ट एड दे सकते हैं उस इंसान को. और हो सकता है कि उसको ज्यादा चोट ना लगी हो तो सिर्फ फर्स्ट एड देने से भी काम आराम से हो जाएगा. तो ये चीज हमने फर्स्ट एड के बारे में जानी. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज फर्स्ट एड फॉर कट्स एंड वुंड्स. You must wash your own hands before attending to the injured person, as you might pass germs from your dirty hands to him. It is very important to wash the cut or wounds under running water. This helps to remove the dirt from the wound. After washing the wound, gently apply an antiseptic lotion or cream. If the cut is deep, tie a bandage. For a small cut, you put a band-aid. Let the person relax till an adult or a doctor arrives. Some important treatments. Different types of treatments are given for different types of injuries. Bone fracture. In bone fracture, it is best not to move the broken part as it may cause more harm. If you have to move the injured person, you may tie a bandage using a scale or cardboard in order to give support to the broken bone and take him to the doctor. Injury due to heat or burns. In case of mild burns, immerse the part in cold water or milk. In case your clothes are on fire, roll off the floor or wrap a thick blanket around yourself. Emergency. Calling for help is the most important thing a child can do in an emergency. If you are going to be the one making the emergency phone call, here's what to do. Take a deep breath to calm down a little. Tell the operator there is an emergency. Say your name and where you are, the exact address if you know it. Explain what happened and how many people are hurt. Stay on the line till the information has been understood. The best way to handle an emergency is to be prepared for one. Knowing what to do ahead of time can help you stay in control so that you can help. It is very important to know some telephone numbers like parents, ambulance, fire brigade, police, along with the telephone numbers of neighbors and relatives. Remember that accidents happen less often if you are prepared and careful at where you work or play. तो यहाँ पर आपका चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है. करते हैं इसे सम अप. Accidents happen when we are careless. Always follow safety rules wherever you go to avoid accidents. At home, keep your room neat and clean. Do not play with broken toys and do not touch electronic wire and sockets and stay away from the gas stove. At school, we should take care not to carry any blades or throw objects at anyone. On the road, always cross the road only on zebra crossing before crossing the road first. Look on both sides. Do not run on the road and always walk on the footpath. First aid is the first help given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor or an elder. तो यहाँ पर आपका चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है. एक्सरसाइज आप अपने आप करेंगे एंड वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. टिल देन बाय स्टूडेंट्स.